So I just came across this fascinating tool called MediaCrawler for scraping social media data. It's like the Swiss Army knife of data collection.
Wait, seriously? A Swiss Army knife for data? What platforms does it cover?
It supports platforms like Xiaohongshu, Douyin, Bijan, and more. Can you imagine pulling data from all those various sources?
That's wild. And it uses Playwright for browser automation, right? How does that even work?
Exactly. It logs in and maintains sessions without reverse engineering JavaScript. It's like going behind the scenes without all the hacking.
Oh wow, that must make it super efficient. I always thought scraping was complicated.
Right? It really lowers the technical barrier for people. I mean, you just have to run a few commands.
So what are some of its standout features? Does it do anything special with the data it collects?
One cool feature is the ability to fetch comments and generate word clouds. That's a more visual way to see engagement.
Word clouds? That's intense. It's like they're turning raw data into art. What else?
It even has a breakpoint resume feature. If a run fails, it can pick up right where it left off.
Now that's a game changer. So you don't have to redo everything if something goes wrong.
Exactly. It's like saving progress in a video game. How frustrating would it be if you had to restart?
That gives me chills thinking about it. What about the back-end part? How does it handle data storage?
It offers multiple storage options, MySQL, CSV, or JSON. It's super flexible for what you might need.
Flexibility is key. So if you prefer to manage your data in a specific format, it's totally possible?
Absolutely. You just pick your poison and it handles it. Pretty user-friendly, right?
Definitely. But how does it ensure that it's compliant with laws while scraping? That's a huge concern.
Good question. It emphasizes learning and research, and there are disclaimers about using it responsibly.
That makes sense. They're focused on academic use rather than commercial exploitation, right?
Exactly. They encourage ethical use, which is refreshing. Not every tool has that mindset.
So it's not just about collecting data. It's the ethics behind it that counts too.
100%. Plus, it lowers the entry barriers for newbies who want to learn web scraping.
Speaking of learning, have you tried running it yet? What's your experience?
Not yet. I'm just wrapping my head around the setup process, which isn't too bad.
And you've got to install Node.js and some Python library dependencies, right?
Yeah. Once that's done, you'll be able to dive right in. Super straightforward.
That's a relief. Sometimes those setups feel like solving a puzzle.
Totally. But once it's running, it sounds like it's smooth sailing.
And the multi-platform support is brilliant. No restrictions for users.
Right? It creates opportunities for diverse research. It's thrilling.
So you could theoretically analyze trends across different cultures and contexts.
Exactly. It's like a treasure trove for digital anthropologists.
Imagine examining how different platforms shape discourse. That's deep.
Oh, absolutely. And if you can visualize that data effectively, it's even better.
That leads to richer insights. So I'm guessing it'll only get better from here?
For sure. They mentioned future features, like more support and advanced analytics.
This is groundbreaking. I can't wait to see what they roll out next.
Same. It's so exciting to think about possibilities. What should our next focus be?
Maybe we can explore the ethical dimensions of data scraping next. It's such an important topic.
Great idea. Plus, it'll tie back to how tools like this influence our digital landscape.
Exactly. Let's dive deeper into that. I'm looking forward to it.
Same here. The conversation keeps getting better.
Definitely. I'm excited to journey through these discoveries together.